What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create custom Reels cover photo. Firstly, get up by clicking on the plus icon on your right upper side, then just go and select the Reels section. As you can see here, you have two options by recording the video or the reel right now, or just clicking right on my left wing on the plus icon side to get up from my gallery a video on this and take over this reel. Right after that, for example, go and take this record. I will go for preview, then go for next. And now, as you can see, if I tap on cover section on the left upper side, here you can find out the cover sections of photos, which I can go and select a cover image, and I can choosing a frame from this video or an image from your gallery. As you can see, it will be mentioned that image from your gallery by adding from gallery by clicking on that plus icon right down. Now, for example, if you are good at Photoshop and you made a good custom reel cover photo, you can go and get it up into your phone, and then you can just go for add from gallery. You can find out the photo that you have saved it or that you have made it in Photoshop, and then just go add it and go for done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon, guys.